Hello everyone, I am Travis and welcome to my YouTube channel, Travis Gets Creative. If this is your first time here, I'm so happy you decided to click on this video. And if you are a returning visitor, I'm happy to have you back. Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing a package that I received in the mail from the wonderful Nyx'sNotions. So, yeah, I'm excited to open this up and see what's in there. So of course I'll put the links to Nyx'sNotions and her YouTube channel and all of that in the description below so you can find her. I did go ahead and remove some of the tape just to make this a little faster. I like all these cute happy birthday stickers on here. It says happy mail has arrived. Warning, opening this package will result in extreme joy. Let's see, I'm sure it will. Oh, look at this. Happy birthday. Let's see what this is. Always remember that you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. That's so sweet. Let me take a look here and see what's in here. We've got a Nyx'sNotions form, or not a form, but a sheet that tells you all of her social medias. Or all of her socials, I should say. Come on, focus for me. There you go. So that's where you can find her, and I will also put that information in the description below, as I said. I received that. I received an unscented pocket-sized wipe. Thank you. I will definitely use that. I'm not sure what this is. Let's just take a look and see. Okay, grab it. There we go. Oh, I hear the neighbor. Oh, it's a cute little mirror. Awesome. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Nyx. That is cute. Here is a Nyx'sNotions card. That's the website for her Etsy shop. More of her socials. A card for diamond painting fanatics. Cindy Michelle. Let's see if I can turn it. There we go. And there's some L-theanine stress relief and relaxation tea, whispering wildflowers. That sounds good. I'll definitely enjoy that. Here's a sample from Day's Dream. Looks like some round ABs. A Rice Krispies treat. I will enjoy that while I'm diamond painting a little later. Let's see what this is. Natural hand cream honey. That'll be good. I definitely need to trim my fingernails. They're getting pretty long. So I can have a little session where I do that. Let's see. Got some candies, some peach moisturizing lip balm, a cute whale sticker. I like that. Just thank you. I hope you'll visit my little shop soon. That's cute. And a sleeping sloth sticker. Isn't that cute? Sorry about the lighting. That's cute. Oh, and I don't want to forget the fingernail file, which will come in handy later. Thank you so much, Nyx, for all of that wonderful stuff in the goodie bag. I will definitely use it. especially that wipe. I don't know what it is, but I get dry skin in the winter. I think pretty much everyone does. But this hand cream will come in handy. And especially the Rice Krispie treat and the candies. Alright, let's open this up. Sending sunshine your way. You can see that. Let's see if I can open this without... Nope. I'm just going to rip it. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh, I think I know what this is. Let me slide this box out of the way. Carefully, without knocking anything else over. Let's see. I wonder if I can just slide this out. Maybe? Maybe not. Alright, we'll do it the professional way. Oh, that's why, because it's wrapped up. There's a note here. Happy birthday. So this is a gift from Cindy Michelle that she purchased for me through Nyx's shop. There you go. You can see it better that way. Let me open this up. It says, happy birthday. You already have the birthday. This wishes you the happy. Happy birthday, dear friend. With warmth and love, Cindy Michelle. Aw, thank you so much, Cindy. Let's get this off here. So Cindy did tell me that she had something coming from Nyx's shop, so let's see what this is here. Oh, I'm excited about this. This looks like a confetti carousel. It sounds like one too. Well, let's see. I think you just peel this lid off. Yes, you do. And it comes with these here. I got to be very careful because I don't want to break them. I have heard Nyx's warnings about what happens if you break them. You don't get replacements. So, oh, this is awesome. It's a confetti carousel in my favorite color. This is a beautiful neon yellow green. And it has 6 P-rows with stoppers and lids that these fit into, and then as you're diamond painting, you can fill it with different colored drills for your confetti. That is wonderful. Oh, I love this. This is perfect too. It can fit my putty. You can also put your trash drills in there. These lids are so nice. They fit right on there, but they're easy to remove. I love these lids. Oh, and she sent a replacement pin holder. 2 pin holders in case I mess them up. Let's see if I can do this properly. I think they just slide in. There we go, like that. Push a little, but not too hard. There we go. And then you can grab your pin, and it rests nicely right there. That's wonderful. I really like this design too. Mr. E did a wonderful job with this design. Let me put my putties back over on the shelf. These are great. I'm excited for these. Oh, I think I got a rocket hair. It's probably my hair. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much, Cindy, and thank you so much, Nyx, for shipping this along to me. I really appreciate it. I love this, and I love this color. This is beautiful. And it goes with my pen really well. I love this. I'm going to have fun. I'm working on a gorilla from Diamond Art Club right now, and it has confetti in the next coming sections. So I'm going to enjoy getting to work with this. So thank you so much again, Cindy. I really appreciate this. And thank you so much, Nyx. I believe, if I understand it right, the confetti carousel is from Cindy, and the lids are from Nyx. So thank you so much, Nyx, for these wonderful lids and for 3D printing this for me and shipping it out. And thank you so much for the gift, Cindy. I appreciate you thinking of me for my birthday. It's so sweet of you. Alright, I can't wait to start using this. And it's cool too because these are interchangeable, so if you have other P-rows, you could put them in there and they work just as well. And the lids will fit this P-row too. Just like that. That's awesome. They don't fall off. That's very important. Alright, I am going to take some pictures and post this on Instagram. And I will see you all next time. Once again, thank you for turning into this video. I would appreciate it if you click that like button, because that does help me out. And if you aren't currently subscribed, I would love it if you subscribed. Yeah, until next time, bye.